Make sure you do that by... Let's fill up the chair.
Happy Hanukkah and Merry Christmas to all.
So this is the rain. Looks a lot like last night, but it was a lot worse just a little while ago. You can see it's still raining out on the lake and the pool. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 20, where we finally are not under a tornado watch. There has been some tornado touchdowns to the east of us in Polk County. There is a animal shelter in Bradenton to the south of us that is flooded, and they're currently rescuing the animals. And it's just been a crazy morning. It rained all day. I'm gonna show you the front. I actually had to pull the plugs out of my lights because they were like lying in the water, and I thought, that can't be safe. Here's my front yard, and you can see that huge puddle. That's because it rained so much, and currently the lights are underwater. So I don't think that's really good. So what I did is I unplugged everything and have everything underneath here so it doesn't get wet anymore. So it's not a fire hazard. Yeah, I will probably leave them unplugged until Christmas Eve so they can dry out. It's completely unfazed. This is what I wish I was doing right now, but I have stuff to do. The rain has finally stopped, so now it is 6 o'clock in the evening. It's already dark outside, and I'm going to run some errands. First off, to get these babies done. They lasted for 4 weeks, and now it's time for some New Year's nails. That one, and maybe a gold one to do a New Year's look. Real quick, I went shopping. I'm not a fan of the plastic bag, just saying. I have braved the rains to come to the mall to pick up my old order. These, I found one for me, and I found one for 2 other people on my list. That's really cute. While I'm waiting for my order here at Old Navy, I thought I would show you my nails. This is how they came out. This was the special one, and then this one is also gold. So those are my holiday nails. I really like the way they came out. Eggnog hot latte. There's Starbucks in the background. Got my Starbucks on my gift card, and off I go to go wrap presents and then pack. So we are flying Frontier Airlines for the first time. It's going to be like Spirit or Allegiant, where you have to pay for your bag, and then of course that adds on to the rate. Well, we're actually flying for a really cheap rate coming home. It's only costing us each $25 to fly home, because we're flying on Christmas Eve and no one wants to fly on Christmas Eve. So we have decided to buy one suitcase to put under the plane. That's $35. And so my husband and I are going to share a suitcase. So I am actually doing what I normally do, where I figure everything out and go and pack backwards. I'm doing that. Also, I want to show you the bag that you're allowed on this airline. So we actually took measurements of this bag. This is a computer bag, and my computer's going to go in here. I already have my microphone. I do have a client that might need work tomorrow. And then anything else I'm going to take has to go in this bag, which means I can't have a purse and this, because then they'll want to charge me. So I found one of my small little purses that I'm going to stick in here with everything else, and this is the only bag allowed as your one item, because you can't bring a purse and this, because then it counts as 2 items. So I'm just downsizing what I normally bring. It's only a 3-day trip, so I should be able to do it no problem. Okay, I'm going to show you what I packed in my one carry-on bag that is in the dimensions, because we measured everything. And then I'm going to do the advent calendars very quickly, and then I'm going to edit this video so I can get it out before I go to sleep. This is where my computer's going to go. And this middle one is where I put my purse. So I got myself a little purse, and I put all my stuff that I need in there. And I kind of downsized, because normally I carry a backpack purse. And then all my cables and stuff to work. And my microphone is down in there at the bottom, with all my cords and everything. So it's really simple. I've downsized, which for me is a big deal, because I tend to overpack. So this is making me travel lightly. If you ever watched Kara and Nate, they travel really lightly, and so I've tried to use them as an example. Okay, time for the advent calendars. First we shall do cheese. Red Leicester cheese. The rest of them I will open when I get back, so probably not until Christmas. And for the NYX, we have an eyeshadow called Whipped Wonderland, and it is in the color of mocha. It's pretty pretty. I like this one. It's a nice, just neutral brown. I already have eyeshadow on, so I'm not gonna put it on, but I like it. Okay, that is it. Okay, the rest of my Vlogmas days will be a little bit more exciting because I think there'll be more going on. And then on Christmas Day, I have something planned, and then we begin the 12 days of Disney. Thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. If you haven't joined yet, if you haven't joined my wonderful world, make sure you do that by... Let's fill off the chair. Don't forget to do that by hitting the button below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.